Hey boys and girls, Mr. Will's back, and today we have a good one for you guys. Today we're going to be discussing and seeing how a 3D print works. Alright, so I hope you guys are ready. You guys are going to check out a video, and then we're going to talk a little bit about 3D printing. Alright guys, now that you have seen what the 3D print looks like, can any of you tell me what the 3D print was? Any guesses? Because if you have the correct guess and you notify me or the director or anyone from the clubs, you might get first choice at the next print. 3D print, that is. So that being said, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about 3D printing and how it could help you guys moving forward. You guys think of household items such as plates, cups, forks, plastic knives, anything. This material is cheap, a lot better than going to a store sometimes. You guys could think about body parts. Say someone's missing a hand. This machine is capable of building a hand and saving someone's life. Just think about how important that can be for someone else or yourself. But just know there's other ideas you could do, such as just personal items, like for fun. Your favorite character from a TV show, from a movie, anything your heart desires. 3D printing is great and it's very useful, guys. So just know, be prepared for when you get back to the club. We're going to be working hard with those 3D printers. I'll see you guys soon.